good, y'all? So we're gonna take a look at these Sports Blue Sixes. These are one of my favorite sneakers. Excuse me, it's cold and hot at the same time. So these are one of my favorite sneakers. As you can see, I wear them a lot. But one of the things I do when I wear them, I pull on this to put them on. Don't do that. I'm telling you now, don't do that. So unfortunately, mine's broke. But let's get us an endorsement deal. All right, so let's see. It says directions. Apply a small amount of glue to one surface. Press the surface together for 10 to 45 seconds. Store in a cool, dry place. Store away from children. So I got the one with a brush and a nozzle. So we're gonna try this. I'm gonna flip this around. Let's see what happens. I don't know if you guys shake it up or not, but so this one has the brush and the nozzle. So this is, I assume, the nozzle. Yeah, no, we want the brush because we want to paint it up there and hopefully not get too many glue marks. So this is a before, and I'll be back to show y'all that after when I'm done. So I know this whole big thing, everybody's been talking a lot about Gorilla Glue and Gorilla Glue Girl. First and foremost, want to give our sincere gratitude that she's okay and she was able to get the glue out her hair. That's awesome. But guys, be careful with this stuff. It's very strong, as we have found out. And although it doesn't say everything you're not supposed to use it on, this is one of the use case scenarios for Gorilla Glue. So I did use it. It looks like my Jordan 6 is repaired. I'm gonna let it sit. I have some glue stains and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. You guys will see these sneakers again on the channel. Got a Rejuvenator video coming out. Shout out to Rejuvenator that held it down for me. I'm gonna hit these with some Rejuvenator because these are the 6s are my favorite silhouette first and foremost. And the Sport Blue 6s is just fire, man. We're just gonna rock with that. But Gorilla Glue did the job. I thank you. Y'all stay safe. Keep this in a safe place. Don't play with it. Don't use it on your hair. Don't let it touch your skin or your eyes. Don't, like the other guy, don't put it on your lip on a Solo cup. Take care. Love y'all. We out.